Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Versus game account from your desktop. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. I have already opened the Google Chrome, as you can see, and on the search bar, click there and write Versus game to directly search in Google, or you can enter the versus game.com and hit enter to directly go to its website. Either way, you'll be doing the same thing, and you can see both on the same page. And after you have landed on this page of the versus, you can see the sign in option over here. Click on the sign in option of the versus, and after that you can see this page has been loaded, and you can sign in into Versus with your Google or the Gmail account, or with your Facebook account, with Apple account, and also with your Snapchat account. Or if you have already created a Versus account, just click in your email over here, just write your email over here and your password over here and hit next to enter into your Versus. Or if you have just forgot your password of your Versus, you can reset it by clicking on the forgot password option and do some procedures. Or if you have not created a Versus account yet, you can just sign up from over here where it says sign up, or you can just click sign up over here. And there guys, this is how you log into your Versus game account from your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.